You wake up and you're already tired. The alarm screams, your body aches. You drag yourself out of bed again, wondering, why does everything feel so heavy? Maybe it's stress. Maybe it's age. Maybe it's the food you've been eating or not eating. But what if I told you there's something hiding in your grocery store? Something cheap, something overlooked that could change everything. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover might just save your life. Enter the red beet. This humble, dirt-covered root vegetable, ignored by most, dismissed by many, is actually one of nature's most powerful superfoods. And science is finally catching up. But here's the real question. What exactly happens when you start eating red beets regularly? The answer is extraordinary. Let's take this journey together, step by step, and uncover the incredible transformations happening inside your body. Now, I'm not just making wild claims here. Researchers at institutions like Harvard, Stanford, and the British Heart Foundation have studied red beets extensively. And what they found? Absolutely remarkable. Red beets are packed with nitrates, natural compounds that your body converts into something called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, improves blood flow, lowers your blood pressure. And that's just the beginning. They're also loaded with iron, potassium, vitamin C, folate, and powerful antioxidants called betalains. Think of beets as nature's multivitamin, but better. So, you decide to try it. You walk into the grocery store, grab those weird-looking red bulbs and think, okay, let's do this. Maybe you make a juice, maybe you roast them, maybe you just hold one and wonder what you got yourself into. Excited, but here's the thing. From the very first bite, from the very first sip, something begins to change inside you. Your body starts waking up. Okay, let's be honest here. Fast humorous, red beets aren't exactly delicious at first. That earthy taste? It's an acquired one. And your hands? Your cutting board? They look like a crime scene. Whispering, dramatic? Some people quit right here. But not you. You push through. You experiment with recipes. You add honey, lemon, apple. Excited. And slowly, you start to actually enjoy it? Surprised. Wait, is this actually happening? Week 1 passes, then week 2, and something strange starts happening. Pause. Excited. You wake up and you're not exhausted. Fast humorous, your workouts feel easier, your mind feels sharper. That afternoon crash? Gone. Authoritative. Here's what's happening inside you. Educational. The nitric oxide is dilating your blood vessels. More oxygen is reaching your muscles, your brain, your heart. Excited. Studies show that beet juice can improve exercise endurance by up to 16%. Whispering, 16%, just from a vegetable. Pause. Amazed. Your blood pressure? Starting to normalize. Your liver? Detoxifying more efficiently. Your skin? Actually glowing. Slow, doubtful. But then the doubt creeps in. Is this real or am I imagining it? Maybe it's just placebo. Maybe I'm wasting my time. Fast, tempting. The old habits call to you. The fast food, the energy drinks, the quick fixes. Whispering, it would be so easy to just stop. Long pause. What if nothing really changed? What if you go back to feeling tired, sluggish, defeated? Pause. Excited. Breakthrough moment. And then it happens. Fast, you get your blood work done. You sit in the doctor's office, and the doctor looks at you and says, authoritative, mimicking doctor, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. Shouting, your numbers have improved. Pause. Amazed, slow, lower cholesterol, better blood pressure, improved liver function, reduced inflammation markers. Whispering, it wasn't in your head. Excited, it was in your blood. It was real. The beets actually worked. Now you know. Now you have proof. Fast, your energy through the roof. Your digestion smoother than ever. Your brain fog? What brain fog? Authoritative. Let me break down what red beets are doing inside you. Slow educational. 1. Boosting nitric oxide for better blood flow. 2. Fighting inflammation with powerful betalains. 3. Supporting liver detoxification. 4. Improving gut health with natural fiber. 5. Protecting brain cells and enhancing cognitive function. Pause, whispering, and some studies even suggest anti-cancer properties, all from one simple vegetable. Warm, reflective. You return to your ordinary life. Pause, same job, same routine, same world. But you are different. You've discovered something most people overlook, a simple, affordable, powerful secret hiding in plain sight. Conversational, and now, beets aren't just food anymore. Authoritative, they're your daily medicine, your natural advantage, your weapon against aging, disease, and fatigue. Slow, inspirational, look at you now. Pause, excited, more energy, clearer skin, sharper mind, stronger heart. Whispering, and it all started with a single, ugly, dirt-covered root vegetable. Who would have thought it? Authoritative. You didn't need expensive supplements. You didn't need a complicated diet. You didn't need a miracle. Pause. Slow. You just needed to trust nature. And nature delivered. Authoritative. So here's my challenge to you. Pause. Excited. Try red beets for just 30 days. Juice them, roast them, add them to salads. Just get them into your body. Fast and watch what happens. Warm, encouraging. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, and drop a comment below. Tell me, are you ready to try the beet challenge? Pause. Whispering, your body's waiting. Your transformation is waiting. Shouting, now go get those beets. Pause. Soft closing. See you in the next one.